This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vicki Marsh. Are you ready to start living in the Florida lifestyle? This rarely available maintenance-free villa condo with breathtaking views overlooking the 8th Fairway and lake in the beautiful gated Prestancia community, home to TPC Prestancia Golf and Country Club in Palmer Ranch, is now available. Watch the golfers, drink your drink of choice, and entertain from the expansive 2-story screened in lanai. This idyllic and peaceful location allows for expansive views. This community is like living in a gorgeous park with 565 acres of beautiful tropical landscaping and home to many Florida birds and wildlife. Home has generous space throughout, high soaring ceilings, an updated kitchen with newer modern appliances and luxurious finishes, new tile roof, newer HVAC, and other improvements made by homeowner. Enjoy having a 2-car garage to park your vehicles in. The community has an active social calendar where you will make many new friends. Seize the chance to make Mara Villas to your little piece of paradise. TPC Tournament Players Club. Golf is a private course with 2 18-hole courses and membership is optional. If golf isn't your thing, relax and socialize by the community pool. If you enjoy bicycling, the Legacy Trail is about a 10-minute bike ride away. If you want to spend some time on the sugar-like sand, then Siesta Key is about a 17-minute drive. Shopping, Street Armand Circle is about a 37-minute drive. UTC is about 25 minutes and the SRQ Airport is about a 40-minute drive. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Marsh at 941-556-2150.